All right, students, so tomorrow's due now, 10/27, October 27th. I'm giving you what the due now will be. So if you're watching Edmodo tonight, you're getting 100 tomorrow on the due now. So here I'm asking you to graph the following equation. And I have realized that this equation is in point slope form, okay? So it's in point slope form, so that means that I can extract the m, the slope, the x, and the y from here. The easiest thing to get is the slope. But then I look here and I don't see anything in the slope, just a minus. That means there's an invisible 1 hiding right there. So that is my slope, -1. Okay? Here is my x, and this is my y. Now, on the x, it is next to a plus sign, so that means that that's going to be a -6. The y is a minus sign, so that's a +2. Okay, remember that from your notes. So that means that my point is going to be -6, 2. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to graph that. So my graph, -6 and 2. So here's my point. Now I'm going to use my slope to continue. So again, my slope is -1. So I'm going to put -1 in a fraction. It's a whole number, so I'm going to put it over 1 to make it a fraction. Here's my rise and my run. The negative is with the top, so that means I'm going to go down, and the run is going to go to the right. Okay? So from here, I'm going to go down 1 to the right 1, down 1 to the right 1, and so forth. Okay, you can keep doing it as many times, or you can just graph a few points and then get your ruler or straight edge that you have and make your line. Now, it is very important that on this one you're super accurate with your points, because they're asking you for the point, sorry, I didn't write it here. They're asking you for the x and the y intercept. So what is x when y is 0? Okay, so here's my x-intercept. This is my x-axis. My x-axis, the line crosses it at -4. So this is going to be -4. My y-intercept, okay, it's when it crosses the y-axis. So here's the y-axis, okay? My line crosses it at -4 as well. Okay, so that means that my x-intercept is -4, 0. It's right here. And my y-intercept is 0, -4. And it is right here. Okay, please make sure that you're able to do that. That you're able to extract the point, that you're able to know how to get the slope and how to count the slope, and then how to visually, once you see the graph, how to visually identify where it crosses the x and where it crosses the y to get your x and y intercepts. So this is your due now tomorrow, and you already watched this, so I'm sure you'll get 100 tomorrow.